I got some lip balm, and apparently it's good for nipples too. Anyway. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've been gone for a little bit, and while I was gone, all of my monthly subscription boxes and bags for the month of May kind of piled up on me. And so now I have them all here at once, and I need to make videos for each one. I was going to do just one big long video opening them all, but I figured I better split them up. So today I'm going to open my Ipsy bag for the month of May. I know it's late and probably everybody already knows what's in here but me, because I haven't watched any videos and I have not looked at any spoilers, so I don't know what's in this month's bag. So I'm just gonna open it up, check it out, and you guys can check it out with me if you like. So let's see what we got. Let's see what the bag looks like. Oh, this is kind of cute. Very, very cute. Very spring and summery type bag. It looks kind of like a light orange, or I don't know what color you would call this. And then it has kind of like the little travel design on the other side of the bag. And on this side it says Ipsy, and it's this really, really pretty, what color is that? I don't know, some type of light orangey shade. So let me go ahead and open it up. Well, I do have a brush here that fell out of the bag. So this is one of my items, a very cute, what looks like eyeshadow brush that's kind of like a rainbow shade or a purple and turquoise shade. And it's a nice kind of compact size, so another nice brush that would be good for travel. So I got this in here. So let me go ahead and see what's in my box. And my voice probably sounds a little raspy because I guess I was screaming at some point on the cruise for some reason. I know why I was screaming. One of the girls we went with, she entered a twerking contest or a rump shaking contest, and so I had to cheer her on. But anyway, that's why my voice is kind of raspy. So anyways, this is the card for this month. It says go there. So I'm assuming that the theme this month is like travel, because it has the cute little travel designs and stamps on the bag, and then on the card it says go there. And there's a nice long blurb on the back of here that I'm not going to read, but very, very cute. So let me see what else I got in my bag this month. Okay, so it looks like I have here a cleansing gel for delicate skin, and this looks like it's from a company called Delicate. I've never heard of them before, but it says here that it has chamomile extract, licorice extract, and aloe vera. So that sounds very, very nice for the skin. And it says MAD, M-A-D skincare. Okay, so scratch that. I guess that is the maker of this product. And up here where it says Delicate, I'm assuming that's just describing this type of product, because down here it says MAD. So some of you guys are probably familiar with this brand. I am not. I've never heard of them, but I'm definitely going to try this out. I love trying out new skin products, especially cleansers. Okay, so next it looks like I have another cute little eyeshadow. I've gotten one of these before in my Ipsy bag, I believe. So let me go ahead and take a look. It says pop goes the shadow. And since I'm blind, let me get my glasses. Hold on one second. Okay, so it says here, Goldie Premium Eyeshadow, Elizabeth Mott. So let me see if I can open this up and show you what the color is. Oh, very, very pretty. Okay, so yes, it's just a nice, pretty gold or bronzy shade eyeshadow. Now let me go ahead and swatch this for you. Ooh, so that is very, very pretty. It's a really pretty nice bronzy color, and the pigment is very, very nice. I think I have another eyeshadow that I got in one of my bags that's very, very close to this shade. So and I think I already have it in my giveaway bag, so I might actually keep that one. Okay, so let's go ahead and keep it moving. So the next item I have here, it says Miami on it. And let's see here. This is what the box looks like. So let me see if I can go ahead and check out what this is. So it says Deco Miami Nail Lacquer. Okay, so looks like I have a nail polish here. Check it out. Ooh, this is pretty. This is very, very unique, and it is definitely a color that I would wear. If any of you guys know me, you know that I would wear this in a heartbeat. So this is very pretty, and this bottle is very nice as well. I really, really like the way that looks. Very, very cute. So yeah, it just says here, Namaste by the pool. Very cute. Namaste by the pool. So anyway, got a very, very pretty nail polish. So I'm happy with that. And I have one more item in here, and this says Dr. Lip Original. Wait a minute. Does that say what I think it says? What does that say? Hold on now. Original Nipple Balm for dry skin, luscious lips, and glossy bite. 100% natural. Does it say Original Nipple Balm? Why does it say nipple balm? Okay, whatever, you guys. Anyways, I'm not going crazy. Look at that. That says Original Nipple Balm. Okay, whatever. I've never heard of this brand, Dr. Lip. But let me go ahead and check this out. Safety seal. Okay, so it's very, very thick. I just put a very small amount on there, but it's very thick, and it looks, oh, yes, it's very, very thick. I don't know if you can see that, but it's kind of like sticky too, kind of like a gel. So yeah, and there's no scent to it. It doesn't smell like anything. So anyway, this is from Dr. Lip, and it says Original Nipple Balm. I don't know why a lip product is called a nipple balm, but I don't know, maybe it's an inside joke that I never heard before. So anywho, that is my whole Ipsy bag, and it's quite nice this month. I actually like what I got. Very cute eyeshadow brush. I got some delicate skin cleansing gel, a nice size tube, so I can actually try it out and see if I like it. A very, very pretty eyeshadow shade, very, very pretty nail polish shade, and some nipple balm. So yeah, anyway, I got some lip balm, and apparently it's good for nipples too. Anyway, so that is my Ipsy bag, and I hope you enjoyed watching me open this bag, and I will see you on my next video. Toodles!